of the beach over there, so here look like you're not here, not high.
Yeah, the name was Trinity.
Oh no, Kera. K-E-R-A. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Hey guys, welcome back to another vloggity vlog with your girl Shakera. I'm currently heading home. It's 10:05, actually 10:03. I had an appointment at 8 o'clock for medicine, so that's all that I have to do on the road today. But today at home, I kind of want to be like productive. I have laundry. I have the dishwasher empty. I don't have to clean my room because this morning I woke up, I tried to at least clean my room before I left. So yeah. What else I have to do? I want to clean up my skincare drawer. But yeah, that's basically it. And I don't know what I want to cook. I had bought some wings. I'll probably do, my best friend said to do lemon pepper wings. I'm not really a fan of lemon pepper wings. I'll probably do barbecue or honey garlic. One of those two. But of course it's going to be peppery because I'm from the islands. Which respect. But I think when I get home, I'm going to take a quick nap. I'm gonna take a quick nap, maybe an hour or two. And what else? I want to clean up my underwear drawer because I've been racking up on Skims on these, and y'all, I'm telling you, I know I ain't got no influence on nobody. I'm a small content creator, and I know y'all are gonna listen to me, but for those that do, Skim undies is top tier. So I'm gonna clean up my underwear drawer, throw out those that kind of look, you know, worn out, worn down, and yeah. And my hair is freaking pissing me off too because I added some gel, but it's not really holding shit. So the drawer needs to clean up, and there's like a hot mess. Like it's so freaking dirty. Like you can see along here. So let's get cracking. Y'all, I had the promotion with this company, and it's literally my favorite moisturizer. It also have SPF in it, and I think I'm gonna have to re-up, or I'm gonna just email them like, y'all trying to work again? Anyways, y'all, I'm done. I removed all the junk that was in this. So basically this is my oral hygiene little basket. Then over here, this is my peri bottle. If you're a mom, you're supposed to know what this is, but this is like my little manual douche. Wait, what?
Child. Anyways,
this is my manual bidet. I try to limit tissue use, so like when I pee, I like to wash with clean water, pat dry, and go about my day. Or when I do number 2, I do the same damn thing. Y'all get it. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go back on the road because I need some foil pans. But in the meantime, I let it thaw out, and I'm also doing a little shrimp.
What do you want people to know about you as an artist? That, I don't know if it's about me, but I think just creativity in general, you know, just doing what you want is so important.
I'm gonna take a nice cold shower using my new body wash. So yeah, and I'm gonna listen to my friend. He comes on every night at 7. He's a positive motivational speaker. Then after I shower, I'm gonna eat my food. Y'all, Maddie, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm about to make me some breakfast. I'm trying to do a turkey sandwich. And y'all, I bought these rolls the other day when I went to the supermarket, and baby, they're bomb as hell. And I'm kind of mad that I got a small pot, but the only reason I got a small pot because I didn't know how it was going to taste, and I was trying to spend the money wisely. So I'm going to put that in the oven so it could get a little bit toasty. And this is the cheese I'm using. I don't have no clue what this cheese is. This is all I have, so I'm going to work with it. I'm going to add some lettuce. Yeah, look at this lettuce. Dry like some of these bitches. Anyways, why did I just say that? Tomato, and I'm doing some boiled egg sausage for Madison, and I'll probably make her some guacamole with tough crackers. And I'm so over my hair, y'all. Like, I need it done ASAP. So I'm outside the beauty supply store parking lot because I've been complaining about my hair all week. And I'm like, bitch, why don't you just do something about it? So that's what I'm about to do. I wanted to do the bohemian braids, but baby, I don't got time to be braiding no hair, and we already established that I'm paying nobody to do it either. So I'm gonna just do something else, maybe a versatile sewing. But before I go inside this store, I'm going to do a car unboxing because when I was getting in the car, the mailman dropped the package off. So it's 2 packages, and I'm only aware of one. I don't know if my best friend or boyfriend surprised me. I don't know, but I know one is definitely Skims. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this first. Okay, so this one is Skims. I got the 3 for $36. What the hell? Y'all, this is only one underwear. Now Kimberly, what's going on? Anyways, let's open this package, because if that's only one, I'm hoping it's in this. Damn, girl. Okay. Who is calling my cellular device? Anyways, before I was really interrupted, let me look at these. I've been slowly building up my Skim Undies collection. But oh my god, y'all, these are cute. So I got a brown one, a black, and a pink. But I want to show y'all the details. Like, let's get into it. Hopefully it's focused, because this is my dingy ass camera. I can't really see what's on the screen, and I can't connect it to my phone, but Kim is really doing the thing, and I love the quality. It's seamless and it's super lightweight. So I'm gonna keep this box because I need to take my thumbnail, but let's go inside this freaking store before it's closed. Why am I here binge watching my own video? Like, I'm obsessed with me. Like, I'm that girl. I'm telling myself I'm that girl. I don't need to dress down the designer to make me that girl, because baby, I'm that girl. Okay, look at her, she's so beautiful. Oh my god. Hi. Yeah, so I just came back from grocery shopping, and as y'all can see, I'm back wearing a wig, and it's looking crazy right now because I had to go somewhere early this morning. I had to just slap it on, so I didn't really get time to like properly install it. Like if I lift it up right now, it's coming off. But I went to the grocery store because I needed a few things, nothing crazy. I got some Old Bay seasoning, and as a Jamaican, I tend to like stick to my Jamaican seasoning, but I can honestly say this is like my go-to seasoning. Got some sausages. Is it just me who puts like my sausage, bacon, and even cheese in like a Ziploc bag? Anyways, but yeah, I also got cheese. I got these rolls. The last time I went, I got the 4-pack, and it was so good. Got more chicken wing. I picked up some more of these ginger beer. I was staying far from the sparkling cucumber because if y'all watch my previous vlog, y'all will know how that goes. Y'all, this is disgusting. Some white cranberry for Madison. I got milk for Madison. And guys, this orange juice, the first time I had this orange juice was at the airport, and it was so freaking good. And I've hunted this orange juice down ever since. And the last thing I got is this Poppi drink because the girlies are going crazy over this. And I got it in the flavor strawberry lemon. And I put that in the freezer. Anyways. We going on a road because one sec. Yeah, I need to go to the post office to drop something off. Where's the label? Bruh, I could have sworn. Oh my god, where is the freaking label? Like I was saying, I'm going to the post office to drop something off, and I want to get some coffee, but it's raining, and I'm wearing sandals. Wait, what? Why did I turn off the car when I'm trying to turn on the wipers? I don't know what's going on with me today. Anyway, got back home, y'all. I'm like super tired. I was gonna take my clothes off, but I know if I do, I'm probably not gonna cook again. I was planning to do self-care day today. I want to like near and stuff, so I'm gonna just keep my clothes on, make dinner, and then do all that after. Hopefully I have the energy because tomorrow I want to take myself on a date. Because it's been a minute. Well, it haven't been a minute. Well, it kind of is. Anyways, yeah, I want to go have some sushi tomorrow. So, yeah, I don't even know what I'm wearing. I know for sure I want to do heels and makeup. Because, like, yeah. Shut up. Oh, I forgot to try this the other day. I'm gonna do that right now. It's not really bad. I actually like it. And it only got 4 grams of sugar. But I'm not gonna finish all of it right now because it's almost done. I'm gonna leave some until after I finish showering and do my little skincare. And my camera's on 5%. Hey guys, good morning. I'm currently making breakfast. Freaking omelet was a fail. Y'all, I ain't no hold you, but these croissants fucking Y'all, my friend is so pretty. You're beautiful. You're fucking beautiful. Remember that. Up at the beach over there, so can't look like you're not here, no time.